In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create staircase in Revit. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along in your own project. Start by working in a plan view, such as Level 1. A plan view gives you the best control over where the stair begins and which direction it runs. If you're not already on a plan, open one from the project browser so you can see your floor layout and available levels. Next, go to the Architecture tab at the top of the screen. In the Circulation panel, click Stair. Revit will open Stair by component by default. This is the parametric stair tool, which means the stair you place is automatically built with smart relationships and can be edited later from its properties. It's a reliable way to get a compliant stair with correct risers and treads without manual sketching. With the command active, look for the Modify, Create Stair tab. Make sure the Run option is active and choose Straight for the type of run. This tells Revit you want a straight flight rather than an L-shape or custom sketch. Before you place anything, glance over to the Properties panel. Confirm the base level is where the stair starts, often Level 1, and the top level is where it should end, such as Level 2. These levels determine the total height the stair needs to cover, and Revit will calculate riser heights and counts accordingly. If these levels aren't correct, update them now so the run is generated accurately. Now you're ready to place the run. Click once in the drawing area to define the start point of the stair. Move your cursor in the direction you want the stairs to go. As you move, you'll notice a live preview and a helpful readout that shows how many risers you've created and how many remain. This feedback is important. It ensures you reach the full height between your base and top levels. When the preview shows the correct number of risers completed, click again to place the run. Take a moment to review what you see on screen. If your template includes default railings, you'll see them appear with the stair. You can always adjust design details later, but for now, focus on getting the placement correct. To finish, click the green check to complete the stair. Revit will finalize the component, connect it to your levels, and display it in plan and 3D views. That's it. Your straight stair is placed, parametric, and ready for further refinement if needed.